This is our beef for pastrami, top round. And here's Ryan, our guest chef for today. And he's preparing ingredients for corned beef. Look at the color of that, diba? So fresh looking. So that's a very good cure. There's just one problem. Nawawala ang tip ng pressure cooker. Kamusta na, chef?
Okay lang.
Dami ng garlic mo. Dami ng beef mo eh. Ilang kilo ba to? 4? 4 kilos ata to 5. Yeah, very trim. The trimmings are here. Special yung corned beef na yan. See? There's just about 500 grams of the things that we removed. Yung mga fats and the other connective tissues. And here's Manang. Hello, Manang. What do you have? Ano yan? Oh, bakit speechless ka ngayon?